I'm Sue, and together we are your Atelier Stars. Guess what? We made a friend on our way to school this morning. Meet Bong Bong! Hey, do you know what are some things that we made Bong Bong with? That's right! We made him with lots of natural things like some twigs, dried seeds, leaves, and our favorite material, clay! Hey Meredith, how did we use clay this morning?
I think I remember us using techniques such as pinching, rolling, breaking, and squishing. So say with me.
Pinching, rolling, breaking, and squishing!
Hey Sue, what do you think is special about Bong Bong?
Oh, Bong Bong loves to go on holidays. He likes to travel all over the world, especially walking through forests and jungles.
Oh, I see.
Oh, but I wonder what kind of food he likes to eat, Meredith.
I think he likes to eat rice, chicken wings, and of course apples.
I love apples! Hey, how do you make a friend on your way to school? Maybe you can walk through lots of natural places like gardens or your own neighborhood parks and find natural things like twigs, leaves, and also maybe dried seeds. And come on over to the atelier and get some clay so that you too can make your own best friend. Let's go! Come on over!
Hello parents! Do you remember our song pinching, rolling, breaking, and squishing? Do you remember that? Come invite your child along with me and let's do it together with these new techniques that we learned. Are you ready? Pinching, rolling, breaking, and squishing. Now again. Pinching, rolling, breaking, and squishing. Pinching. Pa, pa, pa. Pinching. Pinching. Rolling. R, r, r. Rolling. Rolling. Breaking. B, b, b. Breaking. Breaking. Squishing. S, s, s. Squishing. Squishing.